Flowers are among the most fascinating and essential creations of nature. Beyond their beauty and fragrance, flowers play a crucial role in ecosystems, agriculture, human culture, and even the global climate. In this video, we'll explore the science of flowers, how they reproduce, why they matter to pollinators, and how they impact our everyday lives. If you've ever wondered how flowers grow, why they have bright colors, or how they help produce the food we eat, this deep dive into the world of flowers will reveal the hidden story behind every bloom. What are flowers? A flower is the reproductive structure of flowering plants, scientifically known as angiosperms. These plants evolved around 140 million years ago and quickly became the dominant type of vegetation on Earth. Each flower is carefully designed for reproduction. Its main parts include petals, often colorful and fragrant to attract pollinators; sepals, protect the developing bud; stamens, the male part that produces pollen; pistil, carpel, the female part that contains the ovary. Together, these structures allow plants to reproduce efficiently, ensuring the survival of their species. How do flowers reproduce? Flower reproduction is one of nature's most elegant processes. It relies heavily on pollination, the transfer of pollen from the male part of one flower to the female part of another. Pollination can happen in several ways. Insect pollination, bees, butterflies, beetles, and other insects are attracted by bright colors, ultraviolet patterns, and sweet nectar. As they feed, pollen sticks to their bodies and is transferred to other flowers. Wind pollination. Some plants, like grasses, release lightweight pollen into the air. The wind carries it to other plants. Animal pollination. Birds, bats, and even small mammals help pollinate certain flowers, especially in tropical regions. Once pollination occurs, fertilization follows. The ovary develops into fruit, and the ovules become seeds, completing the plant's reproductive cycle. Why are flowers important for ecosystems? Flowers are the foundation of many ecosystems. They support pollinators, which in turn support entire food chains. Without flowers, bees would lose their primary food source. Many fruits and vegetables would not exist. Biodiversity would dramatically decline. It's estimated that around 75% of the world's food crops depend at least partially on pollinators. Apples, almonds, strawberries, tomatoes, and coffee all rely on flowering plants. In short, flowers directly impact global food production and food security. The role of flowers in human culture. Flowers have symbolic meaning in almost every civilization. Roses symbolize love and passion. Lilies often represent purity. Lotus flowers symbolize spiritual enlightenment in Eastern cultures. Sunflowers represent positivity and vitality. Throughout history, flowers have been used in ceremonies, medicine, perfumes, art, and religious rituals. Ancient Egyptians used flowers in burial rituals. In Victorian England, floriography, the language of flowers, allowed people to communicate secret messages through bouquets. How flowers affect the environment. Flowers do more than reproduce. They also contribute to climate regulation. Flowering plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping regulate Earth's atmosphere. Biodiversity support. A single flowering meadow can support hundreds of insect species. Soil health. Flowering plants prevent erosion and improve soil structure through their root systems. Planting native flowers in gardens can significantly improve local ecosystems and support declining pollinator populations. The science behind flower colors and scents. Have you ever wondered why flowers are so colorful? Their pigments serve specific purposes. Red and yellow attract birds and bees. Blue and purple are especially attractive to bees. White flowers often bloom at night to attract moths. Scents are produced by volatile organic compounds that guide pollinators toward nectar sources. Some flowers even mimic the scent of insects to attract specific pollinators. This co-evolution between flowers and pollinators is one of the most extraordinary examples of adaptation in nature. Rare and unusual flowers. Some flowers are incredibly rare or unusual. The corpse flower emits a smell similar to rotting flesh to attract flies. Some orchids mimic the appearance of female insects. The world's smallest flowering plants are smaller than a grain of rice. These adaptations highlight the incredible diversity within the plant kingdom. Flowers and human well-being. Scientific studies show that flowers can reduce stress, improve mood, increase creativity, promote healing in hospitals. Simply being around flowers can lower anxiety levels and improve overall mental health. This is one reason why indoor plants and floral arrangements are so popular. How to protect flowers and pollinators. Climate change, habitat loss, pesticides, and pollution threaten flowering plants and pollinators worldwide. You can help by planting native flowers, avoiding harmful pesticides, supporting local beekeepers, creating pollinator-friendly gardens, conserving water. Small actions can have a large environmental impact. Final thoughts. The hidden power of flowers. Flowers are far more than decorative elements in gardens and bouquets. They are essential to life on Earth. From supporting biodiversity to feeding billions of people, flowers are silent architects of our ecosystems. The next time you see a blooming flower, remember, you're looking at millions of years of evolution, ecological balance, and biological brilliance. If you enjoyed learning about flowers, consider exploring more about nature, ecosystems, and environmental science. Understanding the natural world is the first step toward protecting it.